Gawa tayo ng natural Sprite. Una, kailangan natin ng lemon. Half of lemon lang. This is natural and organic galing sa Urwasu. Ayan. And then, sugar. This is organic sugar. Organic sugar. Ayan. Organic sugar. This one is for organic sugar. This one. And then, mix natin. Mixin muna mix. Okay na. Sparkling water. Sparkling water. Agua. Agua con gas. Agua con gas. So, this is our Sprite. Charing. Natural Sprite. Yung bubbles na yan. Dahil yan dun sa sugar. Yung sinasabi nating shamaki. Sinasabi nating spirito ng soft drinks. Ayan. Tabong. Cool.